Now this is going to be setting up the virtual machine. Okay, so you've already got this shebang, right? It's not showing Wi-Fi, which is annoying. Oh well. This is my Gmail that I've connected to the YouTube. I made a new one because I kinda did it oopsie whoopsie. Okay. Network sharing, discoverable, yes. File printer sharing, yes. All networks, yes. No. Yes. Okay. You just want to follow this. Privacy. Firewall. Here, I can just actually go into this is for virtual machines only. Okay, people? Okay? Do not do this with your normal home computer. Because if you do, something's going to go bad, something's going to go wrong, and there's going to be a very big oopsie whoopsie doopsie. Okay? I'm just covering all my bases with this one here. Off, off. I clicked advanced settings, by the way. Inbound. Yeah. Your account. Everything looks all good. Now, if I am able to. There are other things you need to do. Go away. Which I have kind of forgotten how to. But we will figure it out. Okay, wait. Let me just make sure everything is empty. You know what, Loki? I don't care if that's there. I have this, but nothing else. Okay, sweet. That's goaded. Oh, wait. Oh, it's got one like there. I have 2 views now. Oh, no, it had 2 views before. Oh, well, I don't really care. Logo of making YouTube videos, I suppose. So on and so such, you know? Okay, I made a new thing. Now, I'm going to show you guys. No, the word I want is format. I'm going to show you guys how to add storage to your VMs. Okay? Okay. Close that. I want to go into here. I have 2 right now. I think only one of them are currently actually working. Oh no. Yes. Actually, no. Only one of them working. So, where is it? Is it down here? God, I haven't done this in so long. Oh no. Oh, you know, it's not here. Okay. How do I do this again? God, I haven't done this in ages. God, I haven't done this in ages. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Oh wait, no, it's here. No, okay, so disk 1 is here. Why is it not showing here? Oh no, new sample. Oh, whoops. Okay. This is how you do it. Um, test for video. I'm gonna give it 10. We're gonna give it 10 measly gigabytes, right? Finish. Apply. Boom. Boom. Okay. Just to make sure that is the correct one. Right, okay, okay. That's it, right? That's it. Right? Test 2. 10. Boom. Okay. Okay. Now, what we want to do I have this correctly allocated? Okay. Now what we want to do, oh no, not that button. No. Okay. Can I get rid of this? Can I, like, not show this? No. Okay. This is the one we're currently using. Ignore this. Ignore this one. Ignore it. Okay, it's not here. It's not real. You're imagining it. You're seeing things. Just focus on this one. Alright? Right click. Initialize disk. It's trying to put this one in as well because it's also not initialized. But we are only looking at this one right here. This isn't real. You're seeing things. Take your pills. Okay? We want disk 2. Press OK. Boom, it's online. Then you want to right click in this space, not in this space, in this space, new sample. Next. Next. Give it any letter. I normally do D. Is D being used? No, it isn't. A, B, C, D. Oh, wait. Am I being used by the one above this? Oh, well. We are going to use F. Because we're just like that, okay? Next. Yeah. We're going to name it Cool People Volume. Because I'm very immature. There it is. There it is. Look at that. Right? Now to recap. There we go. Okay. Thank you. Now to recap. You know, that's just going to be there for a while. To recap, we're going to use disk 3 now. Click here. Oh, no. Here. This part here. Not here. Here. Initialize. Yeah, and see how it doesn't say disk 2 anymore? Because we've already put it online. Okay. Online. Unallocated, that just pretty much means it's not connected to any computer or VM. Right? Right click. New sample volume. Next. Next. This will pretty much just say, okay, so the thing is actually 10 gigabytes. Let's make it 10 gigabytes. And also, gigabytes aren't 1,000 megabytes. It's a little bit more. Yeah, that's why your RAM isn't exactly like 32 or something like that. We're going to assign it the letter G. Next, I'm going to call this super cool, awesome people volume. Because once again, I have the mind of a child. I take that back. Next, finish. It's got BitLocker. Look at that. Look at that. Aren't I just damn amazing? Okay, and then you can, okay, so you do want to format it. Then you just start formatting, and then it's automatically going to format. No, it isn't. Oh no, actually no. Stop, stop. This one is the one that's formatted. This one is the one that's empty. Okay, so I just fucked that. Oh well, I don't really care. Do not format. I was wrong. Okay, and then if we want to delete these because they look ugly, okay, these aren't the super cool people anymore. These are the super cool people. These are like the amazing, awesome, really cool, fabulous people. Just make sure the other 20 is there. Is there D? There's no D. Why is there no D? There's no E either. Or C. I know there's no C. Let's just do F. Um, really awesome volume because once again, I'm childish. Disc 1. There. You saw that saying disc 1? This is disc 1. Okay? There it is, right there. Oh, you... Look at that. Right. It's just like on my actual computer, I have C and D. But boom, now you've got 2 additional drives, and then, you know, like, see? And now you've got it on this drive instead of this one. Boom. And then if you have a look at that. It's gone down. It is 100% because it's like, you know, it's like 99.99, so it'll just be 100 or something like that. But yeah, like look at that, easy as, right? And if you don't want to look at the ugly ones anymore, ew, stinky, you can just go on to here, right? Settings. I already have the settings open, yeah. And then you can just remove the ones you don't like, you know. Just like people in your life. If you don't like them, just remove them from your life, right? It's that simple. Okay? $20 says they're gonna be gone. Fuck, I'm brilliant. Look at that. I am brilliant. Um, it is, and I am not even joking with you guys. It is the exact same for a physical computer. With a physical computer, you obviously you go into the case, you slide in the SSD, um, and then you just go, you'll either it'll show up here automatically, but if it doesn't, you literally what I did, I wanted to format disks. Format. There you go. See it with okay. The thing with computers is it is stupidly simple. It is simple so much so that you are expecting so many things to go wrong that you are unintentionally stepping on eggshells. Okay, and that right there is what makes tech difficult. You're stepping on eggshells because you think something's going to go wrong because it is so easy. Okay, if 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 people realize just how easy technology is, how simple it is being made, how simple it is in general, people will stop walking on eggshells and a lot less errors will happen. Okay. Um, I used to walk on eggshells around computers, around and within computers. Now I don't. Okay. Now I run into far less issues. Things stop working less, and it's just amazing. Okay. Okay. It's just amazing. It's fabulous and it's amazing, and I love it. Okay. So, if in doubt, genuinely try break something. Okay. When I am bored, right. When I am bored, I will make a VM and I'll try break something within the computer, right? Um, yeah, no, if like okay, when I say go try break something, I like okay. Obviously, I do not mean open your computer and smash it with a hammer. Don't do that. That's stupid. Same with downloading a virus on your computer. Don't do that. That's bloody stupid. Okay. If you want to do that, if you want to see what a virus does to your computer, make a virtual machine. Literally anyone can make a virtual machine. I don't know why more people don't do it. I don't know why more people don't test viruses on it. I don't know why more people don't, just mess around with a virtual machine. If you somehow manage to crash a virtual machine, first off, that's pretty damn difficult because that's just a computer. If you manage to crash a computer, um, by just like not obviously if you're not like stress testing it and shit like that, and you just manage to crash it just by fucking about, that's a skill. That is a skill, and people will hire you for that. Okay, people will hire you for that. If you tell someone who has a tech company that you know how to break computers, you know how to test computers' integrity and push them to the limit, most likely they will hire you. Okay, I know for a fact if I owned a company, if I had servers and some guy came up to me and said, I know how to break your servers, I'm hiring them on the spot. Okay, I'm seeing how they break it. I'm seeing why. Not why, I'm seeing how, I'm seeing when, I'm seeing what are they doing. I'm seeing all of this. And then I can just go from that. Like people, it's not difficult to do all of this, okay? It's not. Um People think it is, and I don't understand it. I don't understand it. I don't understand why people think it is. But yeah. I also have okay, but that I'm gonna end this video here, and I'll post it.